China quite rightly feels the need to protect the sovereignty of its borders. It's threatened on a daily basis by the world's most aggressive country. And it does this by building what even the US experts admit is a defensive military capability. China has a 9-dash line where it claims control over the waters and islands, which was accepted by the USA when the Republic of China's 11-dash line claimed the same, or more. The USA could be asked to comment on why this was acceptable to them when they agreed to the 1943 Cairo Declaration, and it's no longer acceptable. What's changed other than their recognition in 1971 of a different party and a different form of governance? A governance that the people of China fought for, not one that was imposed upon them. People will then erroneously argue that the 9-dash line is in breach of UNCLOS, the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, and they would be wrong again. Because they've been misinformed and misled by media, which states that the tribunal, which was formed to examine information but had no basis to make rulings, has said this is true. Surprisingly, considering all the rhetoric, China has not actually militarized the South China Sea. Li Keqiang said this in 2017, and despite what many in the West might believe, when a premier of China says something, it will be found to be true. Western media reports constantly suggest it, but there is no evidence. Now, if you doubt this fact, go find a photo or a video of a military installation in the region. What you will find are a couple of airstrips. Not one of them will show a military aircraft on it, with the exception of one event many years ago when a military craft landed to take 2 injured workers off the island. And this event was so exceptional, it made international headlines in 2016. And there you have it. The truth about China's militarization of the South China Seas is misinformation. They're not doing it.